Hey Devonna, it's Jessica. I didn't even think you were gonna remember me. Last time I saw you, you were like, I think you were like 6 or 7, maybe. You might have been younger than that, but I was just like, oh, my little cousin. So I didn't know whether you were gonna remember me or not. But you added me, so I'm hoping you did, or you at least saw my friends and saw people that you knew in our family on there. But I just wanted to say what's up and damn, it's been a minute, and you've grown up, like, jeez, like, it's been a minute, so, yeah, but, just wanted to go ahead and give you some love from Cali, some cousin love, and, actually, I just want to see how you're doing. Inbox me your phone number so we can just talk and stuff, you know, we're primos, so we should be able to talk, you know, so I can get to know you a little better. I hope everything's good with you and your family. I hope everything's good in Arizona. And you're beautiful, Mija. Like, you grew up to be gorgeous. I hope everything's going good as far as, like, school goes and friends and all that, you know. Hope everything's working out the way you need it to. And if not, then don't even trip about it because you know it will, huh? So, yeah, just wanted to give you a shout-out. Say what's up. Hit me up. Message me your number. Bye.